Hello, my name is Richard Jones. I'm the proud owner of Lillywhite Property Group. We carry out all aspects of property maintenance and refurbishment work for domestic and commercial customers throughout London and Essex. Our HQ is in Rayleigh, Essex, where we have a dedicated office with meeting room, a storeroom for materials and tools, and a large skip for waste rubbish and materials. Our dedicated office staff take care of any email or telephone inquiries, and our telephones are manned 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have 2 experienced surveyors who will assess each job and provide detailed written quotations. These guys, along with myself, will project manage every single job. Then there is our trades team, who are all directly employed by Lillywhite. They are all skilled in their trade. From decorators, carpenters, glazers, plumbers and gas engineers, electricians, tilers, roofers, plasterers, handymen, plus much more. So between us all, we can cover any maintenance request in-house. They will arrive in one of our vans wearing our Lillywhite uniform, so there is no mistake who they are. We work for a wide variety of customers, consisting of private homeowners, letting agents, property management companies, serviced accommodation providers, office blocks, retail outlets, insurance companies, social housing providers, property developers, architects, bus garages, factories, and many other commercial buildings. Please browse our website and social media channels to find out more information, and also check out our many 5-star reviews on Google. If you want a property maintenance company that does it all, then give Lillywhite a call. The future is bright. The future is Lillywhite.